Hey, good evening, Bob, Trade Genius, the 30th of December. We get a lot of questions about what do we do exactly and how do we do it, how do you participate, what's involved, so on and so forth. So I'm going to go through that. So I'm going to start off, first of all, cryptocurrencies, because that seems to be what most people are most interested now. And we offer three things. We have training courses for people that just want to get up to speed as to even what are cryptocurrencies, how it's going to shape our future, how you trade that, how we trade that, and basically get you to a position where you have a good solid foundation on what this revolution is. The second thing we offer is a signal service slash chat room. So Phil has, and he uses our signals here. You can see them right now, and in fact right now we just got a buy on Bitcoin on the hourly. Is that he looks at a number of things. We have our trade signal. He's looking at Fibonacci levels. We're looking at support levels from a volume standpoint. We're looking at where things are in the channel, and from there he's going to make a recommendation as to if he thinks it's a good opportunity to go long or a good opportunity to take the trade off. And we focus on many of the coins. The trade signals is whatever Phil feels is moving to give people the best opportunity. And then in the trading room itself, it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And there are traders in there all the time. And there's a lot of people there that have done very well, and a lot of people who've been trading these coins for a long time, a lot longer than the current push that we've had here of interest and excitement in the coin. So some very experienced people. And so how you get involved in that is, excuse me, how you get involved in that is that you get a TradingView account, and we have the signal already embedded in TradingView. And then once you purchase the software, or it's part of a package that we offer, that software gets given you permission, and you'll see actually the buy sell signals. For the trading room, you just get a Telegram account, and from that Telegram account you then have access to the chat room. And then for the signals, it's just a Twitter account with mobile notification. It goes right to your phone. Easy peasy. That's what's involved in it. Take you 20 minutes to set everything up, and we'll give you permission on Telegram, we'll give you permission on TradingView, and we give you permission on Twitter, and you're up and running for as long as the subscription is active. We typically do annual subscriptions. Occasionally we'll do month to month, and sometimes we'll do specials. So that's that on the crypto side. We have another thing in binary options, a room that Phil also runs. It's primarily FX trades from an algorithm that he built right when binary options first came out. Very, very highly profitable, high probability trades, and we put out one or sometimes two of those trades a day. And depending on if there's certain opportunities with other commodities or equities, he'll put those out as well. And so all you really need for that is a Twitter account to get the trade signals for that. And they discuss binary options in the crypto room as well. The other area is on the equity side, and this is where I focus. Is that we have an algorithm that I wrote that gives me a picture, and I look at mostly the 4-hour signal. And I'm looking for buy and sell signals here. I'm looking at the Qs right now, and what's interesting me about the Qs is that we're starting to see some subsidence there. I don't like to short per se. Most people can't. So if I'm trading on my own, I can do a lot of things. But as I trade for the group, I typically try to trade what I'm signaling to, so that having skin in the game, I'm very empathetic to people's trades with me. So here that I look at that and say, okay, it's not ready for a buy. But we have a second part of the service, which I call income. And I offer this as part of the ETF trade, is that I look for these bumps in my algorithm for income, and this tells me that a credit spread is probably on the call side is going to be profitable, and it has been historically it's greater than 84% that the trade will be a 100% profit trade. And we just did 6 in the last 6 weeks. All of them were total winners. And I focus on the Qs, and I focus on the SPY. Okay, I focus on VXX, and then I also focus on GLD. Okay, so that's the income ETF side. It works the same way. All you need for that is access to that chat room for right now is directly into the website. You get a username and password, and you just select the chat room. And then Twitter works the same way to get the trade signals from Twitter. The other thing that I do is I post the trades every morning with updated stops and targets right on the trading site, so you can see how well we're not doing. And so total transparency. My trades are locked in Twitter, so they're not after the fact trades. And so we try to be as transparent as we possibly can to help you make sure that you're making money, and then we're being accountable for that. And then the last area in which we do is another piece of software that we wrote is, let me just shoot over to the chart here. I'm actually looking for a trade for the weekend, is for Tuesday, is so I trade energy mostly in the future side, and this is a piece of software in Thinkorswim. We call it the Day Trading Money Machine. And what I look at here is all money flow based algorithms, and combined with stochastics. And so what I'm looking for is mostly scalping. These are not for home runs. If we try to make $400 a day on average, which would be $100,000 a year, is the focus. And what we do here is, I'm looking for trades that start showing up when the market opens. And you take your trades, and these are buy-sell signals. Okay, and Friday was a very profitable day on both sides. You could trade it one way, you could trade it both ways. And then here's just a money flow index that we created for ourselves. It gives me a sense as to overbought and oversold. This one here is really short term. It also helps me kind of check. I call this weather, I call this climate, and when these things align, like right here, we got a little red arrow that said, hey, this move is probably too far too fast. At the same time, money flow were topping, and so take profit. And we did. Excuse me, the cold. And so you get this by, we provide this. If you buy the software, we go ahead and we send you the download. You import it into Thinkorswim, and then you add it to your charts, and it's good to go. And this one's a little bit different. Is once you buy this one, you own this one. And so even if you don't subscribe anymore, you can buy the Crypto Money Machine one for TraderView too, but we also offer this as a subscription too. So that's kind of what we do. So in a nutshell, we have 3 products on the ETF / equity side / futures, and then we have 2 products over where Phil runs on the crypto and on the binary option side. And we use Twitter, we use TradingView, and we use Thinkorswim as our vehicles to watch the trades and to communicate the trades. So I hope that helps you understand what we do and how we do it. We do very well, and regardless of the markets, all we really are looking for ever is enough volatility so that we can make the trades work for us. The stocks are moving, our signals will work. So that's that. We're running specials. By the time you hear this message, you have 1 day left. We'd love for you to join us. Good people. We're just trying to fight the fight every day and helping you make money. We make money right along with you. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.